We are on the last step of a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. That is, we have to bring all the 4 yellow corners on the top. The corners are placed on the correct position. The only thing which is left is the yellow color should be on the top, this way. So, to solve the last step, you will come across 4 kind of cases. The first case is no yellow corners will be there on the top. The second case will be you will have only one yellow corner on the top. So in that case, you are going to keep the yellow corner on the left side and apply the formula. Third case is you will have 2 yellow corners on the top. So in that case, you're going to hold the cube in this position, 2 yellow corners on the left side, and apply the formula on this corner and then on this corner. And the last case is when your diagonal corners are yellow on the top. One corner over here on the left side and one corner on the right back. So in that case, you will apply RD on this step and then on this step. So I will take the case 1 only, where you have to apply the last step, that is R down, D left, R up, D right. So when you get no corners yellow on the top, you can hold the cube anywhere. 2 things you have to keep in mind. Whatever color you are facing should not change its position. Keep 1 finger over here and 2 finger on the back, and you will only turn this right layer and the down layer. So I am starting with the formula. This is a cycle that keeps on repeating. R down, D left, R up, D right. The cycle has been repeated 1 time. So you have to repeat the cycle at least 2 or 3 times, and you have to check that whether you have got a yellow on the top or not. R down, D left, R up, D right. After D right, you have to check that a yellow has come on the top or not. No, it has not come. Again, I'm repeating. R down, D left, R up, D right. R down, D left, R up, D right. Don't forget to do D right once you get a yellow on the top. Otherwise, your cube will jumble. Now I have got a yellow on the top. Now it's time to shift this corner on the left side. So just turn your upper layer only towards the left side. Don't turn the cube. Again, I'm repeating the formula on this corner. R down, D left, R up, D right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Don't forget to do right. So I have got a yellow corner. Come on, shift it towards the left side. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Now I have got a third corner also yellow. Now it's time for the last corner. This corner we have to bring. So again, repeat the cycle. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. And our cube is solved.